Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Medium to repurpose posts for LinkedIn growth, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Go to the Medium website by typing medium.com in the address bar. If you already have an account, click on the sign in button located at the top right corner of the homepage. You will be presented with several login options. You can use your email and password if you remember your credentials. Alternatively, you can log in using your Google or Facebook account. If you choose to log in with email, enter your email address in the provided field. Click Next or Continue after entering your email. Now, enter your password in the designated box. Click on the Sign In button to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to your profile picture at the top right corner. Click on your profile picture to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Posts from the menu options to view your published articles. Browse through your posts to find the content you want to repurpose for LinkedIn. Click on the title of the post to open it. Highlight the text you want to copy for LinkedIn. Right-click and select Copy or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Now, open a new tab and go to LinkedIn. Sign in to your LinkedIn account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on the Start a Post option at the top of your homepage. In the text box, right-click and select Paste or use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to insert your copied content. Edit the text to suit LinkedIn's audience. Add any additional insights or commentary to make your post engaging. Incorporate relevant hashtags to increase visibility. Finally, click on the Post button to share your content with your LinkedIn network. You have now successfully logged into Medium and repurposed a post for LinkedIn growth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.